Yeah, man, this is Richie Spice representing for Jamaican Chat. You hear that? Yeah, it's Jamaican Chat we are talking about. Oh, na. I see you pulling close from a distance. Jamaican Chat. Bang.
Wagwan, my people. Bless up everybody. Welcome back to Jamaican Chat. And you don't know, my people, we're there with a hot one. A hot one in the morning, yeah? May I beg you to like, share, subscribe on that video here. And you don't know what to take the time frame. Big up Father God. Thanks to God, so we have a life, my people. We not done see what go on the screen. Buju Banton himself, the man, him actually at up the whole weekend, my people. From him album launch party, we keep Saturday night, Friday. He had a thing at the Tough Gang studio that's in Sangsters, that's airport, Montego Bay, my people. Departure lounge, you understand? And that was hip. We're gonna take a look on that. And my people, he also did a big thing yesterday when he came out at the People's National Party annual conference, my people. And we'll have a little snippet for that as well, my people. Before we jump in at the details, pick up yourself, SKENG Dan, because I saw this update, my people. Want to let you know, SKENG have another youth on the way. So big up yourself, SKENG Dan, because the reason why I'm going to take the time for big you up is because other dancehall artists, them not really try to them thing here, or them get youth and them think about them now keep it in the family line, like how I see you are keep it in the family line, SKENG. So I'm going to rate that, my G. Big up yourself, you understand? You have get two youth, two of them are with one person, you understand? All over the place thing that really work for a man like me still. As I say, so big up yourself, SKENG Dan. And my people, we're going to jump in at the updates them phone right now. So Buju Banton load up Montego Bay, my people, Sangsters International Airport. He was there and he was in the departure lounge for the Tough Gang studio, my people. And you know, so them have some things that sell and clothes and one bag of thing, my people. So Buju Banton was there. He had a talk with the people them and everything like that. We just gotta check out some snippets, my people, the major highlights as to what happened at the Tough Gang studio on Friday. So come with me, my people.
This is something special you should all be a witness.
Those who do not live here, this is how lovely my people are. Warm and welcoming we are. Don't follow the news and all that negative stuff. This is how beautiful we are. And when we can really and truly be at peace with each other and we don't get no greater than this. I love you. Born for greatness, out now. Know your leading record stores and all.
And it never just stopped there, some people. It never stopped there, so any at all. Because after Buju Banton left the Sangsters International Airport on Friday, on Saturday was the official launch party, and that was a blast, my people. It was held at Dilot, that's D-I-L-O-T, that's located on Constant Spring Road. It's a new hip restaurant, recreational type. It's a nice place for people. You can check it out. You understand? It's right in the heart of Kingston, so what more fun than that? You understand? Alright, my people, so I'm going to check out really quick. And it's a really quick snippet I have of what happened at the lot, my people. I remember we have the bonus round, people. Buju Banton at the People's National Party Conference. Bap. Yo, Buju Banton. Anyway, my people, that's the little snippet I have for the album launch party. And you can see the man album, it look like it is a banger. Well, a Buju Banton this, so we don't expect nothing less from such a great person in a music. You understand? Alright, my people, and drum roll, please. Because nobody was expecting this, but it happened. You understand? And we're going to talk about it, my people. You understand? So as y'all can see on the screen, that Buju Banton did actually go to the annual It's People's National Party Annual Conference, my people. You understand? It's just a look at cheers and so on. I'm gonna check it out really quick. Alright, my people, that a wagwan pan what a guan. Alright, and you don't know, maybe gonna just like, share, subscribe on the video. But I don't want to think exactly, my people, especially about the last part of the video here. Tell me what you think about it, my people. I know say Buju Banton I gonna get like a lot of backlashing from enough people. Maybe the entertainment industry come out pan him. Maybe footer hype come out pan him. You understand? Because you know say footer hype love media them thing. But my people, I personally don't say anything wrong with this. As a matter of fact, I go big up Buju Banton. This is not like when time the last election when time Andrew them come goon out the rest of artists them and make have the whole of them at the dub plates and all of them thing there. Or even the other side too. You understand? I rate this what go on right here. So because I'm tell you this, people, I am speaking from somebody that is in Jamaica right now. When I talk all of the people who are foreign, we just watch things on TV and I watch things on cell phone and have for them own input. Me, I want Jamaican and I'm there in the country. You understand? I be a fool in the shagwan. We need to get rid of the government here, my people. You understand? Normally, politicians, we know politicians for trick people, rob people, come around when a voting time, and that's it. It has changed, my people. Politicians, this political thing has changed, especially in Jamaica with this current party, where now we have shadow government, we have shadow police forces, we have government when if them not like what you say, them send out them goons at you, all of them things. And my people are the first me ever see it like this. If I saw be the case, give me back the original thief in politician them. Yeah, man, give me the one them when normally come, make the false promises them, and we'll vote for them, and we won't see them back till 5 years' time. Them never did have shadow governments and shadow operations taking place. Look on the same Kevin O. Smith thing, people. Everybody sweep it under the rug and forget about it. Don't. People, think about it. It cannot be that this man on him way traveling to Kingston, the car just crashed so and him dead. People, that's supposed to open up on the eyes and make on the know say, yo, on the government operate like, you see me, like an underground type of thing. I normally watch them thing up on TV and see them thing, I know say American type of thing. No, we don't want that in Jamaica. Give me back the original thief in politician them. So this step where Buju Banton make, I'm not saying I make a step for bring, for enhance thief in politician or anything like that. I am definitely not saying that. I am simply saying I like that step here where you make. You understand? People now need for people, if we even approach it from a standpoint where we say that party here, the foolishness that term here, next party. We could do it so, but we can't dare and keep on voting the same people over and over and over. It makes no sense. We give you a try, you fail, next party. You fail again, next party. On and off if that's so be the case. You understand? My people, that's my views. Make me know what you think about that. You understand? Me could get the comment section active. Yes, I'm gonna jump off. Me I beg you to like, share, subscribe on the video. Pick up on yourself. Jamaican Chat. I'm out.